Hello YouTube followers, first of all welcome back to my channel Classic Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. So now let's move to the details of this video. In this video I'm here with you along with a very stylish and classic collection of sleeveless woolen handmade sweaters, or you could say crochet made vest designs or front end open sweaters. All of these sweater designs are specifically used by women more than 40 plus women, and some persons who used to wear eastern type of dressing, and then some front end open sweaters are suitable with them. So this video collection is entirely for them, and some youngsters who want to look funky at the same time they use some knitted stuff under their sweaters. So on the second layer of their dressing they need some open sort of material. Then this sort of video collection and designing patterns are entirely for them and the ones who love knitting patterns made up of crochet. As you could see that different color combinations, techniques, designing patterns have been shown. I would suggest that for a decent and formal look, kindly use only single color to design your entire vest or sleeveless sweater. And if you want to look funky or a multicolor lover, then you could use 2 to 3 different color combination of wools that suits together, just like I have shown you in this video. I hope you would like the video. If you like the video, kindly like the video, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then kindly subscribe our channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon button so that you could remain notified with the latest uploads and updates of our channel. Kindly do watch our videos till end and make a routine of daily basis visit on our channel so that you could get all the stylish and amazing ideas related to women fashion. Up till then, thank you. We will soon be back with some new stylish and trendy fashion ideas. Take care. Goodbye. See you soon.